We're going to point the right toe 45, lightly touch with the front toe, your left foot. Crossing your wrist with the left hand on the outside. We're going to lift the elbows to horizontal, extend the left hand to the front and turn to the corner. Drop the elbows and turn to the front. Now, just one thing about this exercise is that just like the other silk reeling and other things in Tai Chi, it's very easy for this to look to the eye like we're doing this, right? But really, outside of this, setting the joint angle of the elbow from vertical to horizontal, the rest of this is a function of turning the waist. So this arm isn't like locked elbow out, and this hand isn't pushed out to here. One of the things that can help us to keep from kind of overreaching with the hand that goes to the side is to make sure that we keep our head facing the front. You'll still be able to see that hand. If you lose sight of that hand, it's because you've gone too far with the hand. So peripherally, when we go from vertical to horizontal, extend the left hand to the front. When we turn to the corner with my head facing the front, I can still see this hand. We drop the elbows to vertical, come back to the front. Lift the elbows, extend the left hand to the front, turn to the corner. Drop the elbows, turn back to the front. Lift the elbows, extend the left hand to the front, turn to the corner. Good. Drop the elbows, turn back to the front. Very good. Lift the elbows, extend the left hand to the front, turn to the corner. Drop the elbows, turn back to the front. And one more time, horizontal elbow, open, and close. Very good. Let's switch feet. Lightly touching with the right toe, crossing with the right hand on the outside. Lift the elbows to horizontal, extend out with the right hand, turn to the corner. Drop the elbows, turn to the front. Good. Lift, open, drop, close. Lift, open, drop, close. Good. Lift, open, drop, close. Lift, open, drop, and close. Very